Hello everyone, I'm Chen. It's my pleasure today to share my idea on dog domestication with you guys today. My final essay will mainly focus on the dog domestication in the Arctic area. By comparing the DNA of dogs around the world, the archaeologists claim that dogs were domesticated from wolves, which had been a widely accepted conclusion for decades. However, due to the lack of written materials in the ancient time, researchers can only speculate about the motivation of domestication of dogs based on the historical roles played by these creatures in human society. In the early time, people used to carry food to their village on their own, but human power was ultimately limited. The sledge was invented in the following years, and then people realized more items can be transported to their village at one time with dog sleds. According to what researchers found, Alaskan dogs were originally trained to pull sleds. In summer, people hunted for beasts. In winter, people caught fish in the ocean. And Alaskan dog sleds are people's favorite way of transportation between the location of food sources and their villages. After the dogs integrated into the human society, they gradually started to serve as not only a way of transportation, but also helpers in large-scale hunting and guardians to protect the villages. The advantages brought by domestication are obvious. Once wild animals completed their domestication process, they turned into domesticated animals, which could provide a great deal of convenience for human beings. Alaskan dogs were born to be the best helper in the Arctic human society. Their thick hair covering protects them from losing body temperatures, which enables them to sustain big workloads. Their snow boot-style feet enables them to run fast on the snowfield without sinking into the snow. In the Arctic area, Alaskan dogs with sleds are undoubtedly the best way to transport food and cargo. But, to be honest, the way of domestication of Alaskan dog were very cruel. As we all know, the wolves are originally wide and not so easy to yield. In order to wipe off the wildness, the ancient people trained them with food, punished them for their disobedience, and killed the individuals which were seen to be impossible to domesticate. This training, punishing, and killing process is the so-called selection process. Finally, the selected wolf lost their wildness and were domesticated into Alaskan dogs. Okay guys, this is all for today's presentation. Thanks for listening.